Our narrative, Not My Cookie Cutter, focuses on the correlation between the lack of diversity, economic status, and the standardized nature of cookie cutter housing. These houses are modernized, following typical westernized architecture. With similar designs, these houses lack individuality, diversity, cultural implementation, and customization. These houses are mass produced through standardized assembly line style of construction. Our proposal is to create a way to lessen the cost per square foot of a custom home through form and materiality. This will allow for more diverse populations and communities to have access and the ability to build a home that fits their needs and represents their culture without being confined to multifamily, such as townhouses, apartments, or condos.
From an economic standpoint, construction costs have been shown to be a significant issue between cookie cutter homes and custom homes. As you can see on the far left, this line chart shows a significant difference between custom and cookie cutter throughout the years, either due to election years, natural disasters, pandemics such as COVID-19, or even inflation. And then on the far right, in specifics as of 2014, building a 2,600 square foot home for cookie cutter would cost an average of $150 per square foot, while building a custom home would be $240, which is essentially double the price. However, by lowering the cost of construction and materials, this will create for a diverse range of scale, materiality, culture, as well as ethnicity for not only single-family homes, but also condos, duplexes, apartments, and multifamily. Based off of our survey, there is shown to be a preference for single-family custom homes over cookie-cutter houses, as well as duplexes, condos, or multifamily houses. This is due to the custom personality of material usage, as well as size and scale. However, by having the ability to customize, this also means currently that the price difference is drastic compared to cookie cutter houses. And this is, as you can see, represented on the top of the page per square foot. Overall, as of 2024, cookie cutter homes are dominating single family housing, resulting in similar or even identical material usage, as well as scale and size. However, by bringing back affordable materials per square foot, homeowners will have the ability to customize their homes, which would allow for a diverse range of housing types.
Our next method of research entails studying, surveying, and mapping different neighborhoods. With the form shown, the person researching is able to identify whether the neighborhood consists of cookie cutter, custom, or multifamily homes, as well as the variations of building form, identify different materiality and height changes, and then map those findings. This research method will allow the researcher to be able to identify differences and commonalities between different neighborhoods in a given area. When looking at cookie cutter neighborhoods, one common quality is the limited housing variations. There's often 2 to 4 different house forms that are repeated over and over, with only the materials being shifted and very small differences between similar forms. As seen, there's 2 different house forms that are being repeated over and over, with the variation of garage sizes and materials being changed. This is a common quality of cookie cutter neighborhoods. Now we are going to look into custom homes. Custom homes are unique and create a diverse community and neighborhood. Each custom home is, as it is custom, there's no real consistency in the form of the homes. They range in different heights, different shapes, different overall sizes. Some of them may have enough room to be a duplex. There's different materials used in each of the homes. And one thing that you will notice is there's no real consistency between 2 homes. Unlike cookie cutter homes, no 2 homes are identically the same. Well, duplexes and apartment complexes are often a variation in housing typology. Most communities are often the same condos or duplexes repeated over and over and connected together. So, like cookie cutter neighborhoods, there is no real variation in the housing form and no variation in materials being used. So, overall, the neighborhood lacks diversity in those instances.
As a method of research, our team has created a survey to gain insight into preferred building forms and materials. With a range of single-family and multifamily homes listed, we hope to learn more about the preferences of the community in order to increase and diversify the communities.